Hey guys, Richard Heine here. Welcome to my Hypnotic Lounge, Eradicate Your Stress. So, I'm so excited for you, but before we go into that, I would like to thank you for the trust you've shown by signing up, by really checking this out and really giving it a fair shot. And again, which is why I'm super excited for you. So what are we going to do in this program? So we're focusing on stress. We want to relieve you of your stress, and stress basically comes up when we try to think or do too much. Basically, our system is telling us, slow down, you're doing too much. Relax for a second, take it one bit at a time. Now, of course, we don't often realize this and like, oh, so much done, so I need to do so much, right? It happens, I get it. I was the same way. Now, the beauty of hypnosis and what this program will do for you is basically, it will shift. Let me take a step back. If you wanted to reduce your stress, you essentially, if you have a project, right, then you have million and one tasks, thinking million and one tasks, oh my god, you're gonna go crazy, right? But if you just do one task, okay, easy task, done. Second task, done. And you go like that through the entire list. Of course, it can vary depending on the project. It may not be as simple, I get that. But essentially, this is what's going on. If you take it one bit at a time, you're gonna do just fine. How's that one saying? How do you eat an elephant? One slice at a time. So, that's easier said than done. If you met me somewhere and I just gave you this advice, this is what would probably happen, right? You'd be like, well, that's nice, but there's all these things how am I supposed to do? I get it. And this is where hypnosis is such a wonderful tool, because we're going to shift your point of view on an unconscious level, so that when you look at that list, you're just going through it and it doesn't even occur to you to think everything all at once and stuff like that. I admit there might be some tendencies every now and then, but you'll find it easier to kind of catch yourself and kind of get into the flow of things again. And before you know it, you will develop a new habit of how to manage stress in a much more elegant way. And then, there will be these situations where before you were like, oh my god, and now you just, it's all right. It's not a problem, and like you just look at it, and this used to be a problem before, and you're like, this. And you just know what to do. And then you catch yourself and maybe you get a little jerk in your favorite body and you're like, oh, I say, I'm pretty sure this used to be a problem, like this used to stress me out, and it doesn't anymore. Whoa, I guess I did quite a bit of work. I guess I really achieved something. So this is what this program will do for you. So I'm excited. Now, regarding hypnosis recordings, so there's a chance that just sort of listening to it once will do the trick, but maybe it will work for a couple days or something, maybe a week, and then you kind of start going back into the old track of kind of getting stressed easily, which is why I highly recommend doing like a 30-day, just every day listening to it once every day. And what that will do, it will condition your mind to think like that, to just on an unconscious level, just these certain things don't stress you out. Now, let me just say that you're still allowed to have a bad day. Sometimes things will come up unannounced, and could be really bad stuff, right? It's okay to have a bad day, is all I'm saying. So just because you get stressed out once every while doesn't mean anything. It's okay. It's a natural response, and all it tells you is too much is happening. Take it one step at a time. That's it. So I highly recommend listening to this recording, to the induction, once every day for the next 30 days. And I can virtually guarantee you that you will be amazed by the results by the end of the month. And if you don't like anything, you can ask for a refund, and I'll happily give you every penny back. Sound fair enough? Alright, head on in and have a fun and wonderful time. See you around.